sewing friends, it's Diane from Spencer Rugg Sewing Patterns, here to introduce you to my new sewing pattern for the Starlight Wallet. Add a little sparkle to your life or your handbag. Look at this little beam of light, how fortuitous. It's a quick and easy scrap buster project suitable for domestic machines. This one is perfect for recycled fabrics or using up your scraps. It's a lovely beginner friendly pattern, but with a few alternatives to challenge more advanced bag makers. It's a mid-size slim wallet for notes, coins and cards, with a large zip coin pocket on the front, a generous inside compartment with credit card slots, with optional wrist strap and piping. The unisex design makes it ideal for all ages and genders. The pattern is instant download and comes with full written instructions and detailed colour photos and full-size pattern pieces that print onto A4 or US letter size paper. There's a full sew-along video included with attention to every little detail to help even the newest accessory makers achieve a professional look. As always, this is designed to be made on a domestic sewing machine. Make it with just an 11-inch square of your chosen outer fabric, so go bust your stash or raid your wardrobe. It's a great one for upcycling. I've kept hardware to a minimum, so just a couple of zips will get you there. But obviously, you can add as much bling as you want to. You could even add a carrier to the back to make it into a belt bag. I've made loads of large wallet patterns over the last few years to fit everything from the kitchen sink to the biggest of phones, but realised I need something more compact for fitting into the smaller bags that I now use, but it still holds oodles. The approximate finished dimensions are 19 by 10 centimetres and that's 7.5 by 4 inches. I know there are so many wallet patterns out there, how could we possibly need another? But this is going to perfect your techniques in so many ways. A shallow front zipper pocket, perfect for coins, keys or lip balm. The whole wallet turns through this pocket, so no raw edges anywhere and a smooth, neat finish inside the main compartment. A deep main compartment engineered to fit all denominations of notes without folding, or your reading glasses if you're like me and can't go anywhere without them anymore. Card slots inside the main compartment fit at least 6 credit cards, ID and driver's licence. I've just added slots to one side as I'm carrying fewer cards these days and I wanted to keep the wallet really slim. But you can double that simply by using the back lining pieces for the front lining too. A front zip with feature fabric tabs to each side. A main zip with one open end to allow as much room as possible for entry. Thorough instructions on both different zip application methods and how to get a nice, smooth, straight finish will help you become confident with inserting zips in different ways. And piping, don't be scared, it's completely optional and the wallet looks great with or without it, but I show you how to easily attach it and make it seamlessly disappear into the side seams and achieve a really professional looking finish. There's also an optional wrist strap to carry it hands-free for anyone who needs both hands to hang on to children, shopping trolleys, walkers, or just to grab and run to the shops. Decorate the front as much as you wish to add a little sparkle to your Starlight wallet. I've used a metal badge here, but you can add embroidery, applique, a name or a monogram, or a little decorative stitching. Now, I didn't make this specifically to hold a phone as I wanted something more compact, though it will actually hold a smaller phone if you have one. But because it's slimline, it means less bulk inside your handbag. One of my friends, who's a teacher, loved the size for a pencil case, and it's true, it makes a great pen holder to pop into your school bag or handbag. Make it casual in waterproof canvas or wax canvas. Bright and cheery in prints or more formal in vinyl. But raid your wardrobe for anything you have lying around. Denim is a great fabric for this and we can always find an old pair of jeans. I stitched a crosshatch pattern to my denim for this one before I started. Keep it soft and flexible or give it a firmer finish, and I'll talk you through lots of options. Customise it to your heart's content. And of course it fits beautifully inside many of my other bag patterns, including the Beanie Baguette and the Pixie. So why not make one to match? And don't forget, you can size the pattern up or down according to your needs. I've got a full instructional video for that too, so you could even make a larger version as a clutch or as a bag organiser. Time for jazzing it up a bit. The testers sure did. Have a look at these little beams of starlight for inspiration. Thank you to all my testers for their help. I really couldn't do it without you. What great wallets. Clearly, the Starlight Wallet would be a great gift, or to batch sew for fairs, markets, a hen party, or birthday goodie bags. Bling it up however you wish and make it in just about anything. Myself and my testers have tried multiple fabric options. It has a lot of scope for personalisation, fussy cutting, embroidery, applique and upcycling of course, to name but a few. The Starlight Wallet sewing pattern is available now as an instant download PDF on my website or on Etsy, or by clicking on the links below this video. Pop over to www.spencerogg.com to see lots more Spencer Ogg patterns and sign up to my newsletter to be the first to hear about new patterns and free tutorials. Please do join our welcoming and helpful Facebook group to show off your makes, ask questions and find bag making advice. You can also find me on Instagram and even TikTok. All the links can be found below this video. And of course, hit the YouTube subscribe button so you don't miss any exciting upcoming tutorials. So if you like the new Starlight Wallet, beam yourself over to the website to grab the pattern and let's go sew.